Hello, Yuki Tubers. I wanted to teach you guys a little songwriting tool that helped me out a lot when I was first writing songs. And that is a ability or a little trick, a tool to help you find chords that fit within a certain key that you're playing in. So if you don't know what a major scale is yet, I would definitely pause this video, go check out some internet resources on major scales, because that's definitely a foundational concept to this video. Let's say we're doing a C major scale, okay? So we start with C, okay? And then we go to D, and then E, and then F, and then G, and then A, up here, and then B, and then we're back at C. Okay, that is the C major scale. And what you can do is you can take each of those notes and turn them into a chord, either a major chord, a minor chord, or diminished chord, and it will be within the key of C. But you have to follow a certain pattern. So, for example, C, we start with that root note C, okay, and we make that a major. So C major is obviously in the C major key. And then we go to D, but we're going to make that a minor. Okay? So D minor is in the key of C. All of the notes that are played on a D minor chord are in that scale that we just talked about. It's in the key of C. And then we go to E, right? And that's going to be another minor. E minor also fits within that key. Then we go to F, but we're going to be major, right? So F major is in the key of C. Then we go to G, G major. Okay. Then we go to A minor. Okay. Then we go to B, but that's going to be our diminished. That's a little weird. Okay. But that leads straight back into the C. Okay. So it's a pattern. It goes major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, back to that first note. Okay, back to the root note. So for example, if we want to do F, we want to do something, play something in the key of F. The scale for F, the major scale for F, is F to G to A to B flat to C to D to E back to F. So we do F major, and we do G minor, okay, because it goes major, minor, and the next one is minor. So the next one is going to be A minor, okay, and then we go to our B flat, but that's going to be a major, so B flat major, okay. Then we go to C, which is a major as well. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go to that D, but it's going to be a minor. D minor is within the key of F. And then finally, we have an E diminished, which I have no idea how to play. So you'll have to look that one up. So let's go back to the key of C. So we have, again, we have C, we have D minor, we have E minor, we have F, we have G, we have A minor, and we have B diminished. Okay, that's our repertoire. Okay, those are all the different different chords that we can use in any kind of combination that we want to create a chord progression that fits within the key of C. Okay, so we can say C, G, E minor, F. We can say C, D minor, F, A minor. All right, we can go C, B diminished, G, E minor, F. You know, whatever you want to do, whatever. This is where you get to decide. Whatever sounds nice to you, whatever fits the mood of the song that you're trying to create. But yeah, and then of course, eventually you can kind of play around with it, and you can add some chords that aren't necessarily in the key, just for a little bit of, flavor. But definitely a helpful tool when you're starting off writing a chord progression, and you can branch outside of that where you like. So hopefully that's helpful for you. If you end up writing a song because of this, please let me know. I'd love to check it out. That would be amazing to see. If you have any questions at all about whatever I explained, if I was confusing in any way, please leave a message below, a comment below. If you have any other things that you'd like to learn on the ukulele, please give me a request. I'd love to help you guys out. however I can. Yeah, as always, I appreciate you guys so much, and I wish you the best. And yeah, have a good night, day, whatever.